Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play open arms on the piano. We will begin by understanding the song's fundamental structure. First, identify the key signature, which is E-flat major and the 4/4 time signature. Then, focus on the main chord progression for the verse, starting with E-flat major, followed by C minor, A-flat major, and B-flat major. Practice these chords slowly, aiming for a steady tempo of around 68 beats per minute, ensuring a solid foundation for the entire piece. Next, let's integrate the melody with the left hand accompaniment. Your right hand will carry the beautiful, lyrical melody, often starting on the third beat of the measure. For the left hand, develop a smooth accompaniment pattern, perhaps using broken chords or simple arpeggios to provide a rich harmonic foundation. Practice coordinating both hands slowly, ensuring that the melody sings out clearly above the accompaniment. Aim for a balanced sound where neither hand overpowers the other, creating a cohesive musical texture. Now, let's add emotional depth through dynamics and expression. Incorporate dynamic changes, moving from a soft pianissimo in the verses to a more powerful fortissimo in the chorus. The sustain pedal is crucial. Use it to connect phrases smoothly and add a rich resonance, but be careful not to overpedal. Practice phrasing to shape your musical lines, allowing the melody to breathe and convey its inherent emotion. Think about the story the music tells, letting your playing reflect its heartfelt message. Finally, let's discuss effective practice and preparing for performance. Break down any difficult sections into smaller, manageable two-measure parts, practicing each hand separately before combining them. Always practice slowly with a metronome, perhaps starting at 50 beats per minute, focusing on accuracy and evenness. Gradually increase the tempo as your proficiency grows, aiming for the target 68 beats per minute. Consistent, focused practice will build muscle memory and confidence, allowing you to perform open arms beautifully and expressively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.